Welcome back. And now I'm going to discuss little more about polymorphism. Polymorphism means more than one form. You are using how we used in our previous example in overriding the same method you are going to override. This is also one form of polymorphism. Polymorphism means more than one form. Same you can do in method overloading also. See here, I want to discuss few more important keyword related with overriding. Suppose if you have some method inside the parent class and that method is static method, then you will not be able to override a static method. If there is private method, you will not be override the private method because private method is hidden method, you can say that private method you will not be able to override. In the same way here see one important point. If you have any method which are final, if you have any method which are final, you will not be able to override that method. Find means static method, private method and final method you will not be able to override. In the same way here, if you try to create, suppose we are going to discuss the final, then see, if you will create any class as a final class, so you will not be able to create child of that final class. It will not allow you to inherit any final class. Here, this part what I have written, you will write practically and will execute and will get the result. In the same way, now you have one very important class called abstract class. Abstract class means can say incomplete class. Means if before a class you have written abstract keyword, so you can say it is incomplete class. Like that here, inside any incomplete class or inside any class, you have a method which are incomplete method without body. So you can say that method will be abstract method, incomplete method. So a class which are having at least one abstract method is known as abstract class, incomplete class. So you have 2 points. One, you can create your class as abstract class using the abstract keyword. Means you don't want to allow anyone to create object of your class. No one will be able to create object of abstract class. So in that scenario, you can write abstract, or your class is having one method which are not having body. So you have to mark that method as abstract. And if you have abstract method, then that abstract method body, you have to write inside the child class. Only via the child abstract method you will be able to complete. See in this example, I am using one person class and this person class is abstract because getUID method is abstract, will come with abstract keyword. So anywhere if you want to use inside teacher or student, both must be the child of person, and there you will override method getUID and this getUID. Means both method you have to override on both place. Then it will complete. See here is the clear picture. You will be able to understand your class person is abstract, and there I have written here means since I have written here this class person abstract, so no one will be able to create object of this person. If anyone will create object of person, then it will show error. So here I hope this part is very much clear. Means if anyone will talk about abstract means incomplete class. There are the two scenarios. First, directly you use abstract keyword with class, means no one will be able to create object of your class. If anyone asks you how you can restrict to other people not to create object of your class, you can say I will declare my class abstract. Second point, if any method of the class is not having body means curly braces. After the method you have not written curly braces, so that is without body. So it will force you to write abstract keyword before the method. And if a method is having abstract keyword, then it will force you to write abstract keyword with class also. Abstract method body, where you will write, you have to write abstract method body inside the child class. Means you have to create child class of person, and there you will write body for abstract method. So hope you are able to understand abstract. Here I am going to use object class. There are, you should know, for all the classes in Java language, by default object class will be parent class. Object always will be the root class, parent class for all the classes which are not having any parent. By default root class is object. Like suppose in my example, person was not having any parent. So object class will be parent class. In the same way, like a teacher was having parent as a person, a student was having parent as a person, HOD is having parent as a teacher. But person was not having any parent, so by default, object class will be parent class. Now this object class is having few important methods like equals method and toString method. Equals method we are using to compare two objects. Okay, this object class we will discuss in detail. Hope up to abstract you are very much comfortable, because this object class every video we have to make for 7-8 minutes 10 minutes. So if I will stress that, it will take time. So better, I hope you are able to understand abstract class in detail. Now the next part I will take the object class. So thank you very much. Thank you.